Hello everyone, welcome you all for our JAS Academy. In this video I am going to solve one question on modern algebra, that is particularly in symmetric group. There was a question in KSET 2017. In the symmetric group S3, the number of elements that satisfies the equation x square is equal to E is option A 4, option B 3, option C is 6 and option D is 0. Okay, it is simple question. They are asking about this x square is equal to E. If x square is equal to E, roughly first we decide x square is equal to E. E is the identity element of that group S3. It implies that x is equal to x inverse. It means that self inverse element. Okay, one or another way self inverse element in that group. And all you know that identity element is always self inverse element. Okay, and E square is also equal to E in any group. Okay. Next we see the background of this example theory. They given that S3 is a symmetric group. Okay, in a symmetric group, to analyze that one, we have this theory. For Sn, symmetric group or permutation group is denoted by Sn, where n belongs to any natural number. In this Sn, we want to find the number of element of order D in Sn. Okay, is equal to n factorial divided by 1 to the power alpha 1, 2 to the power alpha 2, k to the power alpha k into alpha 1 factorial into alpha 2 factorial into alpha k factorial, where alpha I is equal to number of i's in the selected partition of n. Okay, this is element partition of n, and the LCM of corresponding partition is D. It means that D order element we want. By using this formula we can calculate. This is one method. Okay, because S3 is a simple group of order 6, but you take S4, that is a group of order 24. For we check these elements. First we write all 24 elements and afterwards we can decide it, but that is a too lengthy process, therefore we use this formula. But S3 is a simple group, directly we write element and decide it. That is also one of the method. Okay, and we see order, how to check order of each permutation in a symmetric group. Okay, suppose F is of the form, a permutation of the form A1, A2, AR belongs to Sn, where R is less than or equal to N, then order of that F is equal to length of that permutation, that is R. Okay, suppose this F is a composition of these function F1 into F2 into F3 into Fk belongs to Sn, and each Fi, I lies between 1 and k are distinct permutation, then order of F is equal to LCM of order of F1, order of F2, order of F3 and so on order of Fk. Okay, now this is the theory. Now come back to that example and we try to solve that example. Simple question. We do this by two method, direct method, nothing but writing the element of S3 and we calculate self, those elements having self inverse, they are the elements satisfies our conditions. Okay, or by using that partition method. S3, okay, order of this group is 3 factorial, that is 6. Okay, now you take a natural number 3, partition it into different partitions. Okay, 3 and another partition is 2 1, 2 plus 1, sum is 3, and one more partition is once again 1 plus 1 plus 1. Okay, this is only a possible partitions. There are 3 partitions for these S3. Then LCM of this 3 is 3. It means that there exists a 3 order element in S3. LCM of this partition, LCM of 2, 1 is 2 there exists a 2 order element. LCM of 1 comma 1 comma 1, that is 1, there exists a 1 order element. Okay, the 2 order element, 1 order element and a 3 order element in S3. Then we want those elements which satisfies our condition, means number of elements of order 2 plus identity element of that group. Okay, satisfies our condition. That is, number of element of order 2 we want, and identity element is always unique for all the group. This total quantity gives those elements satisfies our condition x square is equal to identity. Therefore, I want to calculate 2 order element I want by using that formula. Number of elements of order 2 in S3 is equal to n factorial, that is nothing but a 3 factorial. Corresponding partition is this one, 2 and 1, 1 raised to 1 and 2 power 1, 1 factorial into 1 factorial according to that formula. Now this is equal to 3 factorial, 3 into 2 into 1, and in the denominator 2 into 1, these get cancelled, 3. Okay, number of element of order 2 is 3. Okay, now total sum 2 plus 1 is 4. Okay, total number of element is equal to 2 order element 3 and plus 1 identity, that is equal to 4. Very simple. Okay, now we check the option. In the option A, 4 is there. This is a right answer. Therefore, option A is correct. Okay, by using this one, or one more method, by writing element of that group, we can check it. In S3 there are 6 elements because order of S3 is 6. Now S3 has elements all 1 1 and onto function identity 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 2 3 and 1 3 2. Okay, these are the 6 elements of our S3. Now 2 order element, number of order of identity element is always 1. Then order of 1 2, this is a function of length 2, this is 2. Order of 1 3, this is also 2. Order of 1 4, this is also 2. Order of 1 2 3 is 3. Order of 1 2 3 3 2 is also a 3. Then there are 3 elements of order 2 and 1 elements of order 1. These elements satisfies our condition x square is equal to E, self inverse element. Therefore, option A is correct answer. Now this is a very simple question, but there are more chance to ask questions based on this symmetric group in CSIR net or GATE or as well as in KCET examination also. Okay, please be thorough with this symmetric group. Definitely they will ask what are the maximum possible order of element or number of the elements of order particular order or such like this. Okay, this is based on that partition of a number. Thank you for watching my videos. For more videos, subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you one and all.